Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. We have got something sent out from us from the guys at Muslogy. They sent us out the cargo net for the back of the truck on the last video, but they also sent us out this, and you might be wondering what the heck is this? What it is a organizer for your glove box. So it can be a little bit confusing looking at it, which way everything goes, but once you actually get in the truck, it's pretty simple. So if you look, this is your main divider portion. Now they put the little felt on the sides and the bottom. So because this is just hard plastic, when it's in your glove box, that's going to stop it from rattling and making a bunch of noise. So it's relatively simple to figure this out. If you look on here, it shows you a front arrow pointing down. So you can see, if you look in the little slots, you see how this one right there has a chunk of plastic in the slot on the left-hand side. You come to the top, and that one has a slot on the right-hand side. Now, that is for this little support piece in the middle. And if you look, it has front written on there as well with the arrow pointing down. So you know this is only going to fit one way. And then if you look in here, the little tabs to lock it in place, this one is offset to the right, and that one is offset to the left. So it's only going to fit in there one way, and it'll click in like that. And then with the side pieces, if you look, this is all kind of built the same. So if you were to put this up here like this, it's close, right? And then same with this one, you're going to put it up there, and they're all angled the same. This is the bottom of your glove box. So it's going to sit in there like that. It only fits one way. You want the open notch pointing up, and the closed side will obviously be down in the glove box. So you're going to have that one on the driver's side. Same goes for this one. It's just a mirror image. That will be passenger side. And then this will go in the two notches there. And then of course this piece is a little support divider portion for the middle. So if you're wondering how it goes together, that's how it goes together, but it's a little bit limited space to get this in the glove box, so it's easier to do this in there. Put the two side pieces in, then slide that one. This piece can go on because it's not in the way of anything, but if you build this and then you think you're going to put it in as one single unit, it'll work, but you'll have to flip the glove box down. If you don't want to do that, just build it separately inside the truck. And then just a quick look in the light for this portion before we get it in there. Like I said, you have the front arrows, which is meaning the front of the truck. So that's going to sit in the glove box like that. And this piece sits in there as well. So you can see front pointing front and up, meaning when this is sitting in your glove box like that, pointing up. So you can only get it in one way. And even without that, you can only get it in one way because like I said, the little clips there are offset. So if for some reason you ever want to take this chunk out, you have to push this one to the left where that one has to go to the right, and then it'll pop out. This thing is a tight fit. You'll need a couple hands and give it a good push. It will go in there, but you can see once it's in, it's all molded nice. It's a tight fit. All right, so now moving into the truck, you can get into your glove box. And now you look at these things, they got the closed end on one side of the little notch and it's open on the other side. The open side obviously goes up top, and then they really only fit one way because you want it to be slanted like that and you want it to be molded to your glove box. So this one ends up being your passenger side. So if we put it in there, just drop it in and you can see just how well, don't mind the dirty glove box, you can see just how well that's molded in there to fit. So then of course you come back and grab your other half, same thing, orientate it right, drop it in driver's side, simple as that. And then you come and get your little divider piece. Now those arrows, like I mentioned, you can see front, so front meaning the front of your truck, and then this up meaning that's going to face up. You don't want to have it that way, you want to have it that way, because then again, this portion is molded to the dip in your glove box. And then with the felt, it's a little hard to push it in. I may need a couple hands to do this. but just get it lined up and wiggle it down and you'll be able to get it in there. But I'm gonna need both hands, so I'll get back to you right away. And then once you got it all in place, this is how she looks. It's as easy as that. Everything goes right down tight to the bottom. It all fits nice. It's nice and snug in there. You're not gonna have any rattling and rolling and bouncing around. And then now you have 3 little sections. You got a longer section, so we could take our owner's manual that nobody reads, can go up top. You got a little smaller section for just little miscellaneous stuff. And then you got an even smaller section for whatever you want to fit in there. So it just keeps everything separated. You don't have a big jumbled mess anymore in your glove box, and it's super easy to do. All right, guys, there you go. She's all filled up. Everything works. Closes good. Opens fine. Nothing rattles, nothing rocks, nothing cracks, nothing creaks. So it works perfectly. And again, it's nice and snug in there, so it's not going to be falling out on you. And like you can see, insurance papers, the book fits up top. I got lug nuts and stuff in the little one. I got my diesel heater remote and a little miscellaneous stuff in the small section. And she fits awesome. Organizes everything. You're not going to be digging in the big compartment looking for what you need. So if you like this video, like and subscribe. I will put the link to this thing in the description and a comment so you can pick one up for yourself. And if you want to find other stuff from these guys, go to Amazon/Muslogy and just look up Nissan Frontier. They got a ton of stuff. It all will not break the bank. It's very friendly to everybody. And it's just good quality. It fits and it works. So shout out to Muslogy for sending this out. Thank you very much. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. And hopefully you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching.